Welcome everyone. So today I'm going to solve this particular question which looks quite tricky. A lot of people thought the answer for this one is 1 and here also they thought the answer for this one is 1. So for this one if you thought the answer is 1 then you're absolutely right. And for this one if you thought the answer is 1 then you're absolutely wrong. Okay, so if you figured out and if you know that the answer for this one is not 1 but it will be somewhere around 1 upon, sorry, just 16. The answer will be 16. If you already figured out, then you're absolutely correct. Okay, and you can skip this video and go to the end. At the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. Now those of you who are new to my channel and you have to subscribe, please understand every single time uploading 2 videos minimum. This is minimum 2 videos. Okay, and most of these videos have questions related to my subscribers. They have literally put all the questions on the comment section or they have emailed me, personally emailed me. My email ID is available in the description. Okay, so either ways I will definitely try to make videos on whatever request I get from my subscribers. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now going back, see, please understand, lot of people, why make this mistake of taking the answer as 1 for this one. Why? Because they literally take the use of PEMDAS. Matlab, they will actually literally stick to the order given in PEMDAS. Means you will have to do multiplication first. So here we'll get what 3 into 12 gets you 12. Sorry, 3 into 4 gets you 12. Again, there is multiplication. So first you will do 12 and then you do the division. So obviously then you will get the answer as 1, which is wrong. Please understand, in PEMDAS or in BODMAS, whatever you all are following, okay, whatever you all are following, please understand the only thing you have to remember is that division and multiplication, okay, and addition and subtraction both. Okay, so either if your question has only division and multiplication, then they hold the same importance. Okay, both of them are holding the same importance. Okay, you only think now why some people on around the world are following PEMDAS and some people are following BODMAS. Okay, if you had done BODMAS, you would have gotten a different answer, and your same thing, if you did PEMDAS, your answer would have come is coming out to be 1. Okay, so please understand why is it like that, because you have to remember that division and multiplication hold the same importance. They are multiplication and division are holding the same importance. The only precedence you need to remember is they are ahead of addition and subtraction. Even in addition and subtraction, both of them hold the same precedence. So now you might be wondering, then how do you do this? Only precedence to be followed when you have a question which has just multiplication and division or just addition and subtraction, then you have to do is just go from your left to right. Okay, so like in this case what you will do is we'll first do 3 into 4, that gets you 12. Divide can be written as what? Multiplication, and then you do the reciprocal of the number followed, only the number followed. Okay, not the complete operation which is followed after a division sign. So that is 3, and then this multiplication of 4 continues as it is. So 3 ones are and 4s are gets you 12. So your answer comes out to be 4 into 4, that gets you 16. That is the right answer for this particular question. Now for this one, again we'll keep the first number as it is, change this division sign to multiplication and flip. Flip means reciprocal of 4, that gets you 1 upon 4. This multiplication continues to be as it is. Again this division you change to multiplication. So when you do that, you flip the next number, that is 1 upon 3. So now if you see over here, things are getting cancelled and your final answer then comes out to be 1. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now let's understand what happens when you do 9 plus 9 minus 9 minus 9 or plus 9. Let's do that. Okay, so again what you will do, if you're doing BODMAS or PEMDAS, both of them you have addition first. So if you would do that, okay, you will get what? 18 minus 18. That is absolutely wrong. Here the answer is not 0. Please understand, here the precedence goes from left to right. So we'll do what? 9 plus 9 gets you what? 18 minus 9 plus 9. So now 18 minus 9, how much you get? That gets you just 9 plus 9. Your answer comes out to be 18. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Okay, now if you had something like this, see, 4 minus 3 plus 3 minus 4. Here also, like I said, you will not do the first things first and everything. No, you will do only left to right. So 4 minus 3 gets you 1, plus 3 minus 4. So 1 plus 3 gets you 4, minus 4. Here, my dear friends, your answer comes out to be 0. I hope you all have understood the difference in all of these kind of questions. Okay, now another thing, I want to do something over here. I want to show. Okay, so 1. Now, if you wanted to do subtraction over here, you can keep this plus over here. And if you had done something like this, then also please understand, in that case, you have to follow the law of what? Integers. What is that? When you do a subtraction, the sign taken is always of the bigger number. Okay, so 3 minus 4 will get you minus 1. So eventually that also comes out to be 1 minus 1 comes out to be 0. Now, why did I slip? Why did I do not follow left to right? See, when you just have plus minus, okay, that's it. Okay, there are the only two signs. These are the only two signs in the entire equation. Here you had how many? 3. This is minus, then there was plus, then there was again minus. Okay, then here it was very important for you all to go from left to right. But sometimes, like, see, sometimes if you had to do something like this, 125 plus 30 minus minus say 45. So here things become difficult, right? You do this plus and then you do this minus. Instead, you can do this first. Why? Only in this scenario, please understand, why am I doing this right now is because there are a lot of students who think that acha, but no, calculation becomes easier when there is just, when you do this first. Okay, so this you get to what? Minus 15, 125. So you get your answer to be what? 110. Correct? Now, if I had done from left to right, what would have happened is what? 125 plus 30 gets you 1. Sorry, it is not 1. It is 155 minus 45. That gets you again 110. So please understand, if your entire question has just plus and a minus sign involved, only one plus and only one minus sign, then in that case order doesn't matter. Okay, but if you had more questions like 8 plus 3 minus 5 plus 6 minus 2, no, then in that case I would request all of y'all to follow the pattern of left to right. Okay, only in the scenario where you have just one plus sign and one minus sign, then in that case it doesn't matter which you're doing first. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Time for your DIY. Please tell me what will be the answer of 8 plus 8 into 8 minus uh, minus 8. Okay, I'm doing this, I'm making it a bit tricky. Let me know if you can figure this out. Okay, this one is actually easy. See if you can figure this out, and please comment your answers in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.